Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna apply my Plouise base. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this warm eyeshadow and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And I'm gonna use that same brush that I used to set my my contour. And I honestly probably could use my bronzer. Could have. But I'm just gonna take this pink eyeshadow and I'm going to put that directly in my crease, and then I'm going to end up taking like a darker shadow. Go in my crease and add this darker pink, and I'm using the Morphe palette to do so, and I'm using the James I just made it a whole other name, the James palette, but I'm using that one, and I'm just going to end up building my crease color to kind of just define it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this pigment right here, like this neon pink, and we're gonna try that on the lid. Alright, you guys, and I'm just going to go in and add a little bit of that Plouise base on the lid. And this is going to just help that pink eyeshadow pop that we finna pop on it. So I'm using the pigments from the Mayo pigment set, and I'm using just that pink eyeshadow, taking my fluffy shadow brush and just packing it on. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I ended up putting the pigment on my lid, and so I used this really pretty glitter right here, and that's what this is. So it's like has like a pink undertone, so I thought that would be really pretty. And then I'm just taking a little bit of that dark pink and put some powder underneath my eye, because I see like Alright, so I'm gonna go in and add my liner. For my liner, I'm taking the NYX matte liner. We're gonna pop that on. I was going for like an extreme liner, which is definitely out of my comfort zone, like this extreme, but I will say that you know, definitely learning how to wing it, even though I mean I know how to do a wing, but it's just really kind of out of my comfort zone, kind of extending it this far. Alright, you guys, so I came back with my eyes done. I'm tempted to add just a little bit of glitter. Or you think I should add it on the bottom lower lash line?
Do it on the bottom line.
On the bottom. Don't be too dark for underneath my eyes. And wipe out the excess powder. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put my liner. I'm going to line my underneath my eye. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Suave.
I was trying to figure out where the meter gotta be to get the perfect shot. It's all about timing.
I'm just gonna take this liner and add just like a light line of it underneath the eye. Oh, I still don't know what you're looking at.
Look at the thing, okay,
above the red.
I was like, it's a certain way. So, I'm just trying to get my stuff down. I get out of this. I'll figure it out a little bit. Okay, so she good.
I think I'll go in and just take a little bit of pink eyeshadow and kind of just put that. And I added my glitter on this eye. I'm gonna go in and just add my glitter underneath the eye, just kind of like right in this area. If you want, you can push it out all the way underneath the eye, but I'm not. And I typically don't do bottom. For my powder, I'm gonna take my matte face powder. I'm just gonna add this, which is like sweet as cocoa. Okay, so I just took like literally a brown eyeshadow and just applied it on my cheeks. I'm gonna try Morphe bar. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora lip stain. I just don't know if it's gonna be brown enough for me. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you guys just stop for a second, take a moment, subscribe, join this family, and also subscribe to be notified. I can't even talk. Subscribe to be notified for notifications, so when I upload, you guys can be the first one. I like to do like the uploads where I get the chit chat with you guys, and so I noticed that a lot of people are not getting notifications because I don't know if YouTube is unsubscribing people. I love the way the eye look came out. I was going for something different. I decided to put the glitter on the bottom, which you guys know I typically pop my glitter on the top, but she's feeling it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see y'all in my next video. Later.